There are many angle grinder products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best angle grinders from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. 12,000 RPM Angle Grinder. Rating 4.4. Equipped with a 7.5 amps motor along with a 900 W maximum power output, the unique power output of this 4.5 angle grinder can produce a no-load speed of 12,000 RPM, giving it fast cutting and grinding capacity. It comes with 2 different types of tool-free wheel guards specifically designed to protect the users during cutting and grinding. Additionally, the slide switch has a lock-off/on feature for easy operation, and the raised spindle lock makes it easy and safe to change its accessories. The angle grinder has an ergonomic 2-position side handle made of non-slip rubber, which gives you added control and comfort for different angles and materials. The slide switch designed in the middle is friendly to both left and right hands. Number 4. Avid Power Angle Grinder. Rating 4.5. Equipped with a 7.5 amps motor with 900 W max output power, this portable grinder can produce a no-load speed of 12,000 RPM for most demanding applications. Ergonomic design. This metal grinder is slim, lightweight, and compact, providing better comfort and reducing fatigue in professional cutting and grinding applications. Convenient operation. Integrated spindle lock on the disc grinder is for quicker and easier abrasive wheel replacement. 2-position auxiliary handle position for greater control, comfort, and versatility in all applications. Safety protection and durable. During operation, the protective cover of the side grinder will prevent sparks and metal chips during use to protect you from injury. Number 3. DCA Brushless Angle Grinder. Rating 4.5. The 20V brushless angle grinder delivers up to 8,500 RPM with max 0.630 W of power, providing stable and powerful power. The real brushless motor has higher energy conversion efficiency, longer service life, less battery damage. The huge battery capacity of 4,000 mAh get rid of the power cord constraints, and the workplace is more free and flexible. Whether it is indoor decoration, outdoor construction, or home DIY, you can work anytime, anywhere, greatly enhancing the efficiency and convenience of work. The power display function allows you to grasp the remaining battery power at any time during pre-construction power check, or in the operation of the power monitoring can be easily realized. Number 2. Metabo Angle Grinder. Rating 4.5. Designed for durability, safety, and productivity, the Metabo metal cutter delivers exceptional performance, making it a versatile and trusted electric grinder for demanding metal grinding and masonry cutting. The Metabo long-lift motor ensures up to 50% more torque, 20% higher overload capacity, and a patented dust guard. No-load speed of 11,000 RPM in a compact design with the smallest handle circumference in its class for perfect ergonomics. The Metabo Grinder S automatic torque limiting clutch reduces the chance of kickback in the event of an accessory jam. Metabo is a leader in professional-grade portable electric power tools. Crafted with meticulous German engineering, Metabo grinders are trusted by professionals worldwide. Number 1. DCK Angle Grinder. Rating 4.6. The DCK Angle Grinder with a 6.7A motor and a maximum output power of 800 W is designed for heavy-duty tasks. The high speed of up to 11,800 RPM makes it suitable for metal workers, plumbers, and professionals who rely on grinders regularly. The metal grinder weighs only 4.4 pounds. The grip is 7 inches in circumference and fits perfectly in the hand thanks to its slim design. You can use the compact grinder for extended periods without experiencing excessive fatigue, allowing you to focus on cutting and grinding. The angle grinder comes with 2 different types of adjustable safety guards that protect the user from flying debris during cutting and grinding. Reinforced metal gear, labyrinth dust-proof structure, detachable dust-proof filter, and automatic brush cutoff protection effectively extend the lifetime of products. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.